Right, I'm just going to take one little video. Blizzard of 2013. Goodbye. Goodbye. Hate you. I just thought I'd show you some of the snowplows. Some of the aftermath of the blizzard of 2013 here. And now I'm stuck in the snow. That's alright. It's not a four-wheel drive. That's right. And here we go. Piece of cake. It's actually a very nice day today. This is Sunday, the day after the blizzard. Oh, the day after the blizzard ended. And this is the parking lot where I work. Those snow piles will be there till like April or May. Oh, it is every year pretty much. And there's my shop up there, second floor.